How to replace a 2013 Kia Forte 4-button keyless entry remote battery. Presented by SgtLocksmith. For this task you will need the following: 1 flat tip screwdriver and 1 CR2032 battery. Time to complete this task approximately 2 minutes. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. And now here's SgtLocksmith.
Hey, it's on Locksmith. All right, we got our 4-button Kia remote here. We're going to change the battery on. It's a simple task. You need a flat tip screwdriver, and you're going to need 1 CR2032 battery. If your keys are attached to your remote, go ahead and leave them on. They're not going to be in the way. This task should take you under 2 minutes, but we're not trying to set no records here. So go ahead and take your flat tip, and if you notice on top you got that little indentation, go ahead and twist it, and you notice how it just pops open. There we go. Now before you want to open it up, your 3 buttons right here, put them face down. I'll show you why here shortly. It's a lot easier to deal with. Go ahead and open it up. Now that you've opened it up, take your flat tip screwdriver, push your emergency button back in. They like to pop out, just from experience I've seen. Take the board out. If your circuit board's sticky on the side or anything, or the rubber for your buttons are, go ahead and just pull this thing out. Go ahead and wash it off in some warm water. Make sure you dry it thoroughly before you put it back together. And if you want to wipe the circuit board off, use an alcohol wipe, but make sure it's dry before you put it back together. And there you go. Now you notice right here, you've got the 3 panels, little tabs, but you got this half of it that's open. That's the direction you want the battery to go. So take your flat tip right here, push the battery towards you, and it'll come out halfway. Go ahead and grab it, pull it out the rest of the way. Now we're going to reuse the same battery. These are new remotes we're using. So positive side up, we'll slide the battery in. I like to use my finger on this. Go ahead and drop it down in there. Now it's dropped in. You'll see it sits in there with its little indentations. Fold the back half over. Snap the side and work your fingers around it. Now we've got it snapped together. If your vehicle's not by you, go ahead and hit your lock button. You'll see a little light come on. If the vehicle is by you and you hit it, you should hear your vehicle go chirp or whatever you need. Hey, if this video helped you out, if you would, give us a thumbs up. And thanks again for watching another SgtLocksmith video. And let's stay safe out there.